Today we'll be looking at algebraic processes, and algebraic processes involve using variables, symbols, and mathematical operations to solve equations, manipulate expressions, and model real-world problems. And in carrying out algebraic process or solving problems involving algebraic processes, we use operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We could be asked under this aspect of mathematics to either simplify a given expression or a given fraction. We can be asked to expand an expression. We can be asked to substitute. That's the various aspects of these algebraic processes. So we'll be looking at how to simplify an algebraic process, to factorizing an algebraic expression, and to also substitute. When given an algebraic expression, we can be asked to substitute with given values. So let's look at this algebraic expression. If we have 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 7 multiplied by 2, we can be asked to expound this. So the instruction here is to expand 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 7 multiplied by 2. So we are expounding this. Expand the algebraic expression here. So from this, there are two ways. Is either you multiply or open up these brackets first before you multiply the result by 2, or you multiply these 2 by the second bracket here before you reach out to the first one. Either way, let's begin. You have 2x plus 3 into, by the time we are using these 2 to multiply, this 2 times 3x will give us 6x. 2 multiplying 7 minus 7 will give us minus 14. Now we can open these up. 2x times 6x will give us 12x squared. 2x multiplied by minus 14 will give us minus 28x. Plus 3 multiplying 6 will give us plus 18x. While 3 times minus 14 will give us minus 42. So from this, we have 12x squared minus 28x. This is plus 18x, right? Because 3 times 6x is equal to 18x. So minus 28x plus 18x is minus 10x. Then we have minus 42. So this is the expanded form of this algebraic expression, 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 7 into 2. So like I said earlier, either way you are multiplying first. You can open up these brackets first before multiplying the outcome by 2, or going by this method we use by multiplying 2 by this bracket before you extend this to the other one. Now let's look at this fraction. Simplify x minus 4 over 3 plus x plus 3 over 2. So in addressing this algebraic expression, the first thing is to get the LCM. We'll find the LCM of the two fractions. This is 1, x minus 4 over 3 Then x plus 3 over 2 is another fraction. So addressing these, our LCM is equal to 6. So with 6 as our LCM, we have 6. 6 will divide 3 to give us 2. So that 2 will multiply the numerator, which is x minus 4. Similarly, 6 will divide 2 to give us 3. That 3 will multiply x plus 3. So we have plus 3 into x plus 3. And that's equal to 2 times x is 2x. 2 times minus 4, we have minus 8. 3 times x, we have 3x. 3 times 3, we have 9. This over 6. From this, collecting like terms, we have 2x plus 3x, that gives us 5x. Then minus 8 plus 9, we have plus 1, divide by 6. So 5x plus 1 divided by 6 is a simplified version of this algebraic expression x minus 4 over 3 plus x plus 3 over 2. Now let's see how this is an algebraic. The second question we address here is an algebraic fraction. Now let's see how to factorize an algebraic expression. If given an algebraic expression, how do we address it? How do we factorize it? The first example for us under this, we have, let's factorize x minus a into 3x plus 2a minus x minus a squared. So this is an algebraic expression in which we will be using factorization method in addressing it. So if you look at the algebraic expression here, we have x minus a in this side of the algebraic operation of subtraction, and then we have x minus a on this side. So what is common between this and this is x minus a, and that's what we're going to be extracting out. That is to factorize. That's what it means to factorize. So we're having x minus a into 3x plus 2a minus x minus a squared will be equal to x minus a into this 3x plus 2a, then this minus sign into the remaining x minus a, because here we have x minus a squared. So one of it is outside here. So this is the second one. So from this, let's address this squared bracket first before we multiply our outcome by this curved bracket. So we have x minus a here into 3x plus 2a minus, we have x, that is minus times x is minus x, minus times minus a, we have plus a. So from here, we have x minus a into, collecting like terms, we are going to have 3x minus x, 3x minus x plus 2a plus a. Next, we have x minus a into 3x minus x, we have 2x, while 2a plus a, we have 3a. So this becomes the factorized form of this algebraic expression, x minus a into 3x plus 2a minus x minus a squared. Next, we'll be looking at substitution in algebraic processes. Now, this particular aspect, you will be given values of the variables used in that particular expression. Your responsibility is to substitute as appropriate. Now, a good example here, evaluate x y squared minus x squared y over x squared minus xy when x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 3. Now we will be evaluating this. When x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 3, we have to evaluate that algebraic expression, xy squared minus x squared y divided by x squared minus xy. So what we'll be doing here, there are also two methods here. It's either you factorize this expression first before substituting, or you can as well go ahead straight and substitute. You will arrive at the same answer. So let's try it. The first thing, let's factorize this expression, xy squared minus x squared y divided by x squared minus xy. If you are factorizing this, looking at your numerator, you both have xy on this side and xy on this side. So we have xy outside the bracket. Then we will multiply this by first y, so that xy times y gives us xy squared. Then we have minus x, so that xy multiplying minus x will give us minus x squared y. That's for the numerator. Then we come to the denominator. We have x here and we also have x here, so we are extracting x outside the bracket, and inside we have x minus y, such that x times x will give us our x squared, and x multiplying minus y will give us minus xy. So from this, we can simplify this further by multiply through by minus 1 in the denominator, so that we'll have y minus x also like we did have in the numerator. That is, if we multiply through by minus 1, we're going to have xy into y minus x in the numerator. Then in the denominator, it will be minus x, that is minus 1 multiplying x, into minus 1 multiplying y, we have y, then minus x. So from this, you can see that we have y minus x in the numerator and y minus x in the denominator. So this will go with this, and you are left with xy over minus x. Again, x will go with x, you are left with y over minus 1. And y divide minus 1, is equal to minus y. And since from the equation you were given y equal to 3, and from your factorization you have minus y, simply the value for this algebraic expression will be minus 3. So this is one way you can evaluate this algebraic expression, xy squared minus x squared y divided by x squared minus xy. Alternatively, let's substitute directly into that algebraic expression. So if we have xy squared minus x squared y divided by x squared minus xy. When x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 3, this is what we will have. First, our x here, we'll substitute it with minus 2. We multiply it by the value of y, which is 3 squared. The value of y is 3, so we have the 3 here. We square it as we also have it there. Minus x is minus 2, right? X is minus 2, so we are going to square this minus 2. And we'll multiply the outcome by 3, which is the value for y. That's in the numerator. Now down to the denominator we have minus 2 squared minus the value of x again, we have minus 2 multiplied by y, which is 3. So solving further, we have minus 2 multiplying 3 squared is 9 minus 2 squared, we have 4 multiplying 3, all divided by minus 2 squared is 4, then minus 2 times 3, we have minus 6, and that's equal to minus 2 times 9, we have minus 18, minus 4 times 3, we have 12, divide by, opening this bracket, we are going to have 4 minus times minus 6, we have plus 6, and that's equal to minus 18 minus 12, we have minus 30, divide by 4 plus 6, we have 10. So by the time minus 30 divides 10, we are going to have minus 3. So you can see that what we have here, when we substitute directly, is the same with when we first factorize the algebraic expression. So either method that you use, provided you follow the steps as should, you will be able to get to your final destination and get the correct answer. So this is all about substitution of algebraic processes.